welcome back to another video. You are watching Phones on Touch here with me, Karishma. Today we are going to talk about a variant which is quite similar out there with very different functionality. That is Samsung Galaxy A Plus. S8 Plus की बात करें या फिर हम S8 की बात करें, they both are very, I'm quite similar. They are actually very similar out there. They have got almost the same functionality, but a very different minor changes can be seen out there. These very minor changes could be seen out in S8 Plus and S8 out there. Talking about Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus out there, we can say S8 and S8 Plus have the same structurality, they have the same design. Talking about the design, we can say both the variants have Gorilla Glass 5 protection front and back out there, as well as you get to have Gorilla Glass protection in both the variants and the aluminum frame design. So the design is absolutely same with Gorilla Glass 5 protection, but due to this protection also and the same design out there, it offers you a very heavy weighted version. This is more than 170 grams. So Samsung Galaxy 8 S8 Plus is slightly heavy as compared to S8. Not slightly, very heavy out, like more than 170 grams out there. This same design out there. As well as if we talk about this variant, it has got no major differences out there. Talking about this variant, we can say it is a hybrid dual SIM and a single SIM technology phone. Yes, single SIM and hybrid SIM. Both the variants could be seen out here, as well as you get to see Samsung Pay also inbuilt apps out there. Along with that, you get to see that this variant offers you IP68 resistance to dust and water. So overall, the design out there is actually same. But what differs out there? Why this much heavyweight? If we talk about the internal parts, does the internal parts differ? No, they are actually same out there in S8 and S8 Plus out there. Talking about S8 Plus, it has got Android 7 base, which is upgradable up to Android 9. And globally also, it has two different variants which are coordinating with each other. Like if we talk about the one variant in USA and China, it has got Android 9, which is collaborating with Snapdragon and octa-core out there with 2.35 gigahertz. Yes, this is the same Android, same collaboration which we have seen in S8 USA and China version, and the same thing is seen out in S8 Plus also. Same goes with the other variant, which is having upgradable Android 9 and has Inisco and has octa-core 2.3 gigahertz globally. So these two, both the variants have same internal functions, but still the weight is heavy out there. What has changed in this variant? What has a major difference? The major difference lies in the screen size. Yes, the screen size is definitely bigger out here. You get to see a screen size of 6.3 inches with Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen along with a reduced resolution capacity. Yes, the resolution is reduced to 529 ppi density. You get to have 529 ppi density resolution. As well as you get to see that this variant offers you a good resolution, okay resolution, but as compared to S8, it is reduced out. S8 offers you 570 resolution out there. But the screen size has played a very vital role. It has increased out from 5.8 to 6.2 inches. That is a great size now. Whereas if we talk about the internal storages out there, if we talk about internal storage capacity and everything, expandability can be seen out here, but you get to have that it offers you 64 GB variant along with 128 GB variant also. Yes, S8 has got two variants, whereas S only had a single variant of 64 GB. But S8 Plus has got 64 GB and 128 GB out here. Along with that, you get to see that this variant has got two different RAMs. 64 GB offers you 4 GB RAM out there, whereas 128 offers you 6 GB RAM. So the RAM quality has also improved out. So this is the again a very good variant out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, you do not get to see any difference in the camera. 12 megapixels rear camera along with 8 megapixel selfie camera with 2 megapixel iris scanner out there. You get to see these things in the same variant which was an S8 out there. As well as there is no difference out there in the connectivity, Bluetooth, sensitivities, even the all the specifications are same out there. But there is a change in the battery life which might have played a major role in the weightage also. Talking about the battery life, it is now 3500 mAh battery life. Yes, it offers you 3500 mAh battery life, which can be seen out here. So overall, these things have made this variant a slight different version and offering you some better qualities. Apart from internal functions, only the structure and even the size is difference only. Major is the difference out there in the storage, one storage capacity, battery, and the size. Other things remain the same out here. Now let us talk about the pricing also so that we come to know how is it different. This is the website phonezone.ae which offers you a great pricing as well as a very pocketable rates for your favorite gadgets. So let us talk about S8 Plus out here. So we have these results. These are the results of S8 Plus, and all of them have a condition written on the top that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first. Talking about refurbished products or talking about refurbished and brand new, we can say refurbished products are the products which are like newly like. Yes, these are newly like products. We can say that refurbished and brand new are actually same, are quite similar, or we can say that. Refurbished word means something new like. Yes, something new like again. Whereas brand new is untouched, which is for the very first time. Actually, these things have the same functionality and the same design. When we talk about refurbished gadgets or a brand new gadget, they have the same design, they have the same functionalities. Even the tests for them are actually same. But what differs is the usage out there. Yes, the usage out there is slightly different. If we talk about the pathway of it, then it could be said that they follow the same path, that is a base, mediator, and the consumer out there. Yes, you get to have a base, you get to have a mediator, you get to have a consumer out there. Whereas the base in the in the brand new is company. Yes, the base is the company which first originates the gadget out there in the market. Yes, it's the one which originates, which gives the gadget out there. A mediator is the one where you get to assemble from the company and the user, is the midpoint, is the bridge out here. Now when we talk about this, we can say that now the marketplace has the gadget. Now user can easily approach that gadget and is the consumer, or we can say the user out there. So this is the path we followed by a brand new product. Now, talking about this brand new product, we can say that this pathway is actually quite similar to the refurbished also, where the brand new product ends, like the user, the brand new ends out here. From here, the refurbished product extends. How it extends? This user has a product which is now used as a base. Yes, now this user's product is used as the base, and then it is released out in the marketplace because now the user does not want to use it. Now it is given to a marketplace, a site where it can be resold. Yes, this is resold. Now the product is pre-owned, it is resold out here again. So this is the thing which happens. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant offers you something like pre-ownization, everything. Now it has been tested, it is tested out and is given to a site where it is resold with a condition named as refurbished, and the users have it. Then the users buy this variant. Now let us talk about the tests which are involved in it, because test plays a very vital role in every gadget. Either it's brand new or it's refurbished, they play a very vital role. Now talking about the tests, it is said that tests are like, you get to have, for brand new tests are for connectivity, for their SIMs, their design, their internal parts, their camera, their proximities out there, everything, colorization, display, everything plays a very vital role in brand new. And the same thing happens with the refurbished products. Even the tests are more complicated in it. How? You get to have a test for the display, you get to have for buttons, you get to have for the camera, external features like audio video quality out there, the scratches out there, whether the colors is proper or not. Externally, what we can see through it, the battery out there, battery charger out there, battery life out there, everything need to be checked. Whereas in the other variant, you get to see that this variant also checks the internal parts like the operating system inbuilt in it, the processor, process maker, the GPU out there, the SIM recognition out there, the memory card recognition out there, even if it has so, the data wiping, data colorization out there, data recovery, colorization, LCD apparative screening if it has, the touch screen it has, sensitivities it has, proximity, everything need to be checked. These all things collaborated and checked out. Connectivity is out there, everything, every single part is checked out. If it fails in one, it is rejected out back then. Yes, it is rejected out back then there itself. Now talking about this variant, we can say that this variant is now certified, is qualified, it is checked that it is in good quality, it can provide a good service, it is certified and is absolutely new. If any part is damaged, then it has to be rectified out there with the original parts. No other part from the company itself, it is brought out and rectified out there. So this is the reason why refurbished products are actually 100% newly liked products. You get to have newly liked products out there. As well as you get to see that these products plays a very vital role in any gadget. Yes, these are the things which are known as for a very important role. Now let us talk about why these gadgets are very important, or we can say these gadgets have the same functionality. Because whatever the refurbished products we are using, they are actually same. They are actually the ones which were once brand new, and now they have been since pre-owned, so they can be considered as refurbished. They are not brand new now. Now let us talk about the benefits of having brand new. Like, what are the benefits of having brand new products? Number one is always the pocketable rates. Yes, you get to have your favorite gadgets in your pocketable rates. You get to have your favorite gadgets in the very pocketable rates, because we know that brand new products are always not in a pocketable rate. Yes, they are always not in pocketable rates. So you get to have slightly expensive phones. Apart from that, you also get to save. Yes, you get to have a savings. When we save, why we say savings? Because brand new products are actually slightly heavy out there, whereas you get to see that refurbished products are quite less expensive as compared to brand new, so you can easily save out there. You get to save a good amount. Talking about the savings and everything, brand new product is actually having a 1 year warranty, whereas refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty, which is really a good factor out there, because once a gadget is pre-owned, you usually don't get a warranty life, but refurbished products get a warranty life of 6 months out there. Whereas you also get to have 70 exchange policy along with it. If a gadget is not verified out there or is not working properly, then the 70 exchange policy is also seen out. So these are the few benefits of having a refurbished product. So let us talk about the website which we were discussing about, and from where we got to have a refurbished gadget, so that we come to know what actually they offer about. So we were talking about PhoneZone.ae. We were discussing PhoneZone.ae. Phone Zone word itself means a zone where you get to have all your favorite gadgets. Yes, a place where you get to have your favorite gadgets. And this category, all mobile phones, helps you to check out all the gadgets from these reputed companies out here. Yes, these reputed companies out there you can see under all mobile phones. Apart from that, this website also offers you 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy, which we were discussing above. Yes, we were discussing just before this. Refurbished product have 6 months warranty and 70 exchange policy. So this is the same thing out there. Apart from that, you also get to have COD and free shipping. This site offers you COD and free shipping out here, so you get to have your favorite gadgets at your doorsteps with COD. And when we talk about COD and free shipping, we cannot neglect at the fact that it offers you 48-hour delivery time in most parts of UAE. Yes, in most parts of UAE, you get to have 48 hours delivery time. Along with that, you get to have 1 week time in Saudi. In Saudi, it might take up to a week. For best pricing, visit out the website or you can check out the link out there. And till then, take care. Description has the link or Google also you can do that phoneson.ae. हेल्पलाइन नंबर भी जाके आप अपने फेवरेट गैजेट्स का ऑर्डर प्लेस कर सकते हैं टिल देन